My dear students, I am Mrityunjay Pal and today I am with you to start our English classes. It is a matter of pity that we have to start our classes in such a very awkward and precarious manner, because you all know that owing to COVID-19, presently we are all locked down. We cannot go out of our houses. We do not know when our regular activities in the school will start again. I personally believe that there cannot be any better alternative to classroom teaching and classroom learning. A subject is best taught and best learned inside a classroom. But presently, we are not in a position to say when we will go to school again and our regular classes will start. Until that happens, this is the only way to communicate with you, to continue our studies and our lessons. Before starting the formal lessons, we must have a discussion on the syllabus and marks divisions of English. English is a subject and it carries 100 marks. Out of 100 marks, 20 marks is reserved for project making. You will have to sit for a written test or written examination and it will carry 80 marks. Now, out of these 80 marks, 50 marks are for literature section. There are 4 projects in your syllabus and the projects are: number 1, The Eyes Have It, and it is written by Ruskin Bond. Number 2, Strong Roots. It is written by APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 3, Thank You Ma'am. It is written by Langston Hughes. And number 4, Three Questions. It is written by Leo Tolstoy. From these 4 projects, you will have to answer 20 marks question. 4 MCQ or multiple objective type questions, 1 marks each, 4 into 1 equal to 4. 4 short answer type questions, 1 marks each, 4 into 1 equal to 4. And 2 broad questions or long answer type questions. And each answer should be written within 100 to 120 words. And each question carries 6 marks. So 2 questions, 2 into 6 equal to 12. So total 4 plus 4 plus 12, 20. From the prose sections, you will have to answer 20 marks questions. Similarly, there are 4 poems in your syllabus. And the poems are: number 1, On Killing a Tree. It is written by Gibb Patel. Number 2, Asleep in the Valley. It is written by Arthur Rimbaud. Number 3, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day, or Sonnet 18. It is written by William Shakespeare. And number 4, The Poetry of Earth by John Keats. From this poetry section, you will have to answer 20 marks question, and the question pattern is similar to the question pattern of prose section. That means 4 MCQ questions, 4 short answer type questions, and 2 broad questions, total 20 marks. There is a drama, more precisely a one-act play in your syllabus, and that is The Proposal. It is written by a Russian playwright, Anton Chekhov. And from this play, you will have to answer 10 marks question, 1 broad question or long answer type question, 6 marks, and 4 multiple objective type questions, 4 marks. So 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So from proses, 20 marks, from poems, 20 marks, and from the play, 10 marks, total 50 marks. Then you will have to answer 10 marks grammar question, textual grammar. And the grammar items will come from the text you have written, you have read. Okay, 10 marks grammatical questions. Now 10 marks questions will be set from an unseen passage. There will be an unseen passage in this question paper. You will have to read it carefully and you will have to answer 10 marks questions. Out of these 10 marks, 4 multiple choice questions and 3 short answer type questions, and each question should be each answer should be written within 20 to 25 words, carrying 2 marks each. So 4 plus 3 into 2 equal to 6. That means 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 70 marks. Now 10 marks, you will have to write a writing skill, a writing piece. There are 3 items in the writing skill. One is report writing. The report writing may be a school report or a newspaper report. There is also a letter writing, a formal letter writing. It may be an editorial letter, it may be a commercial letter, it may be an official letter. And the third item of the writing skill is a precise writing. You will have to choose only one. Okay, 10 marks. So 70 plus 10 equal to 80. 80 marks questions you will have to answer in your written test or written examination. And as I have already mentioned that there is a project work and it will carry 20 marks. There are 4 items in the project works. The items are: number 1, a film or theatre script making. Your teacher will give you a theme, a story, and you will have to prepare a film script or a theatre script. Number 2, changing the background, time, social context of a play or a novel or a short story. You will be asked to read a novel or a short story or a play, and then you will be asked to change the background of the play, change the time of the play, change the social background of the play. Okay, this is one item of your project work. And the third item is Indianization of the writings of some foreign writers. You will be given a story or a novel to read, and then you will be asked to convert the happenings in the story or the play in Indian context. Indianization. You will be given a writing written by a foreign writers having foreign background, and you will have to convert the background, convert the theme or the characters or the happenings in Indian context, okay, into Indian context. This is Indianization. And the fourth item is fictitious interview with some eminent personality. Suppose, for example, you are asked to take an interview of the President of India. This is fictitious. You have to think that the President of India is sitting before you and you have to ask some questions. He will give the answers. Both the question and answers would be written by yourself. Okay. So this is 20 marks. So 100 marks total in English. Now today we will start a poem, and that is the first poem of your syllabus, On Killing a Tree. Okay.